Hello, it's John Foster RC here, and yesterday I took delivery of a new kind of transmitter and receiver, and just thought I'll share with you this particular brand. And here it is. It's the DumboRC, not a very nice sounding name. This is the X6, and this actually comes with the receiver, which is the X6FG. The cool thing about this particular receiver is, yes, it's 6 channels, but it has a gyro. This is a entry-level transmitter with 6 channels, and for approximately on Amazon in the UK about £40. I think you can get it a little bit better price if you shopped at Banggood and places like that. But the good thing about this particular one is the range. They're claiming 400 meter range, and the receiver response being 3 milliseconds, which for a budget transmitter and receiver, that's absolutely amazing. Doesn't come with the screen for the mixing of things and the changing of the settings. It's just one of these ones which is standard, where you have little knobs and dials to change everything. But I wanted to try something a little bit different, and I wanted to see how this actually performs in our models. So yeah, we're going to unbox this and have a look what's inside. Right then, so let's take a look in the box of this 6-channel radio gear from DumboRC. So let's have a see how we open this up. See, we've got a little flap here, look. There we go. Aha! Aha! There we are. So it comes like this. So your obligatory manual. I think there was some talk about the manuals being a photocopy before. They've changed that now, so you've actually got a sort of quick start guide. So that's better than just a photocopy piece of paper. They've obviously upped their game. Packaging's still the same. Comes with this sort of dense foam. Oh, even a little thank you message. Look, there we are. Yeah, wow. Oh, and it's got some information on there about what it does and doesn't do, and different channels, how to set it up. Okay, so it's a little another sort of quick reference guide, and comes like that. So that's pretty good. And there you are, your little receiver. Go, and as you can see there, and you should be able to see, if I can bring that closer, the FG, lovely, and of course the radio itself. Oh, actually, so let's get these components out onto the bench. Okay, so there we have it. So first impressions, not bad actually, not bad at all. Quite nice weight, handles quite nice. Got that's actually quite different sort of spring load going forwards as opposed to back, so you can, quite nice. Quite a nice sort of spring. Actually, quite nice. This hasn't got foam. Wish it could have had a bit of foam, but hey hum. And I don't know whether this picks it out or not, but just about here as well, you've got the connection, so you can put a rechargeable pack. So you can get a pack that sits in here and connects here, so you can have a rechargeable pack for it. Good, good positive. Nice, good positive battery box as well, and quite good positive switches. Place for a lanyard to go across. The antenna is all built in, and of course your flap for the channels to be mixed for your settings. Oh yes, so you got the reversing and forward for your settings of your throttle and your steering, and your adjustments for those too. That's really quite nice for a basic set. That's really quite good. And for the price, I got this on the Amazon. I think it was about the normal retail price was $39.99. As I had some vouchers to use up, so I paid a little bit less. So I thought, well, it's worth going for, just to see what it was like, really. And actually, that's not bad at all. Actually, perhaps this could be doing with a bit of foam, but I believe there's you can buy foam and you can take this off and change that. But I think all in all, it's got a little bit of grips and things in there for your fingers, so it's actually quite nice. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the DumboRC. This is the X6 with the gyro in the receiver. Put it into a vehicle, I think, and have a look and see how it performs at one stage. That'll be the next video. Do take care and do keep safe and well. All the best. Bye bye now.